How to deactivate your Viber account. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guided studio. So if you want to temporarily deactivate your Viber account, then here's the step-by-step guide of how you can do this. It's super easy, but before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Also, not to deactivate your Viber account, you just need to open up the Viber application from your device, and from the Viber homepage, go and tap on this more option at the bottom right. Now from here, you just need to tap on the settings option. Now inside the settings, you just need to go and tap on the account. Inside the account at the bottom, you'll get to see the option deactivate account. You just go ahead and tap on deactivate account. Now you just simply go ahead and select your country and enter your phone number. And once you do that, simply go and tap on deactivate account and tap on deactivate, and this will take a little time. This will verify your account first, and your Viber account will be temporarily deactivated. Now if you want to reactivate your account, you can come to the same place and tap on start now, and from here you just need to enter your phone number once again and then go and tap on continue, and this will take a little time. This is going to send a verification code. Just go ahead and enter the verification code right here, and your account will be reactivated. Hope you find this to be helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.